Good afternoon, MMTs. Here is the daily S&P Standard & Poor's 500 chart. We said the summer rally was over up here. This is an update, and this was on 8/2. And we made 1710, and we bought the puts. It's all on the website at stockmarketfunding.com. And where do you find that out? You simply go here to trading, and you go to the home page, and you find where those videos and where the analysis was before the fact, not after the fact, before it happened and why it would. So get in here, take a look at the dates and the times and the stamps, do your due diligence about the analysis. Once you understand that, click on the free trial and click Get Started Today. Once you get started, then you're going to spend 5 days free trial on this particular page. Now, when you go down to trading, you go open an account. If you want to get one account open, just click on Open the Account form, the hyperlink right here. It'll take you to the Viking Capital Contractor Agreement. This is where you open up your trading account, okay? And we provide trading capital to you. So this is how you get started. One more thing though, the S&P today's high is 1669.51. Now, when we called the correction, we hit the lower bottom. We said right around 1635. The low was 1639, and this is the counter rally coming back up to the 20-day simple moving average, which is 1680. And that they've used some of the top leadership of the S&P 500 in a high algorithmic model buying those stocks to get this index up here. What I am going to tell people is that when we come up, we're going to reverse and we're going to make a lower low in September, as I have always said. So that 200-day moving average, we said 1560. We were right to the penny there. You can go to stockmarketfunding.com and see the live analysis where we called it. It's in the database. Everything that we do is live. And the math doesn't lie. So, MMTs, we're going to be taking a severe look at the top end of this next resistance reversal going into September. The S&P will follow the rest of the indexes as far as when we start looking at the nasdaq composite. We'll look at, we're already showing the S&P 500. NASDAQ 100 will come into play. The Dow transports, we've already showed they've had big reversals and relief rally. That Russell 2000, the Philly SOX index, the volatility, the VIX on the S&P, and we'll cover the HGXX, that's our Philly housing sector. And we will also look at where the oil is in separate different videos throughout the month or what remains in the dog days of August, and will be a major player in September is when we're really going to cover these incomplete because there's ways to trade it. So one thing that we are saying is that the first reversal always has an uptick. And it's a holiday week, so the ridge is going to be 1680, and up at the secondary, we're going to be looking at 1690 before it would roll over and make another lower low from the original reversal on the S&P 500.